Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can increase ShareX quality. So let's open up ShareX and then let's head over here to the left side where you see task settings and click on it. Now under the image here on the left, click on it. We will select the format PNG as you can see here. So PNG is lossless, meaning it won't lose any detail. If you must use JPEG, move the JPEG quality slider to 100. So JPEG quality, you will saw it a little bit down here. So the third option here, move it to 100. Now ensure that you don't running an image effect that resize or compress the image during the after capture task. So here you see everything is unchecked, so this is okay. Now video quality, we will select here under the screen recorder and then head over here screen recording options. And under here video encoder, you will see it right over here. You will select if you have NVIDIA graphic card, you can select this one. Otherwise, the first one here is recommended also. Now you can adjust here the bit rates. We also have here some presets and tune. And yeah, this is pretty much everything what you can adjust for better quality. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.